Presenting the 2013 Ford Explorer. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 25,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include a power sunroof, electric trunk, alloy rims, roof rails, power mirrors, traction control, anti-lock brakes. Inside you'll find third-row seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, a satellite radio, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, a backup camera, front airbags, side airbags, a navigation system. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
This is a Carfax one-owner vehicle which qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of the Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. Just say, "Show me the Carfax."